Welcome again to raigurukul.com. In this video, we'll see how to fully update project role through Jira REST API. Updating the project roles, names, and descriptions, we must include both name and description in the request. For this, we need to have the required permissions. We'll see here how we can perform this activity with administrator login credentials, and we'll see it through Postman. So if you're new to this channel and not yet subscribed to this channel, consider subscribing and pressing bell icon for more updates. You can see here there is a one rule has been created in my previous video. If you don't know about how to create a rule, please watch my previous content so that you're able to understand how to create a rule. But if I want to update any specific rule, I will simply need the rule ID. You can copy the rule ID from here. You can copy the rule ID from here and simply paste it to the URL. When I will paste it without changing method, we cannot update the details, and which all fields we want to update it, that is also required. So let's say here I'm updating Scrum Master only as a project coordinator. Now I want to update this descriptions inside this role ID. So here method I'm going to select as a put because post we are using for the creation. Now once I will click on save or send, my content will be updated. You can see here ID will be same, just description has been updated. Earlier it was Scrum Master only, and here I added here as a project coordinator. This is very simple enough where we can update the detail. Now in the initials, this is the domain name, and this is my complete path, REST API 2 and the role, and then this is my role ID. So this is how we can update a project role in Jira through REST API. Hope you liked it. If you really enjoyed the sessions and think this is very useful, you can share within your circle. Thank you for watching.